Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. I am hoping that this is the first video of what will be a series of me using my very little platform to tell you about beauty brands that I like that are small or family-owned indie businesses to do with beauty. And today I will be starting off with one of my favourite indie brands, that is Arttitude Cosmetics. Arttitude Cosmetics is run by a wonderful lady who I have had many a chat with called Rux. She is a full-time scientist outside of her beauty brand. Arttitude Cosmetics is named after her mum's Asian bridal hair and makeup studio, Arttitude Studios, and that's such a wonderful thing. Arttitude Cosmetics was made based upon the fact that in Arttitude Studios, they were struggling to find luxury eyelashes, false lashes that matched all eye shapes. So they decided to design their own, and Arttitude Cosmetics was born. And in turn, during designing the lashes, Rux decided to expand beyond lashes and create a whole beauty line for Arttitude Cosmetics. I have a lot of little packages down here on my desk of goodies from Arttitude Cosmetics that I bought with my own money. And we're going to talk through the products as I go along. However, I will not be swatching anything. This is more of a showcase of the products that Arttitude Cosmetics have on offer that have piqued my interest. They have two palettes, they have cake liners, 30 different shades on sale and bundles to get discounts and decent ones at that. The last time I checked, they had 11 sets of lashes and 2 boxes of 3 pairs of lashes in a bundle. Arttitude is an adhesive eyeliner. So I'm gonna stop waffling on at you about what they do offer. And we're gonna start unpackaging things and I'm gonna show you what they actually offer. So these are the Cake It liners, and in every package that Rux sends out from Arttitude Cosmetics, she sends a welcome to the family leaflet which tells you a little bit about the brand and thanking you for choosing her brand to buy from. And she also always handwrites a message personalized to the person who has purchased. I love the personality that she's given this brand. Let's have a look at these Cake It liners. So these are water activated liners. The packaging is beautiful, it's eye-catching, it's rainbow with her little logo on the top. So I have 5 of these liners. And these Cake It liners retail for $9.99 each. But I got these in a bundle. So it was 5 liners or more for 20% off, which meant that these were 39 and 96 pence. This is a gorgeous shade. It's a lovely blue shade, like an aqua shade, in the shade Trust. Next up is the beautiful deep blue turquoise color in the shade Peace. Next is a blue-green shade in the shade Harmony. A fluorescent green shade in the shade Courage, and then a beautiful red shade in the shade Warmth. Now these feel very heavy. You get 10 grams, which is 0.35 ounces of product in each of these pots for $9.99. And these are water activated liners. So such a small amount of product is going to go such a long way. And they have so many of these water activated cake liners on offer. There's 30 in total and I have 5. These are the kind of liners that you get a lot for what you pay for, and the bundles make a lot of sense and save you a lot of money. Next we're gonna have a quick look in this purple box. Rux threw in some lash tweezers and some glittery spoolies with the lashes and Arttitude liner. And I think that just goes to show how much she cares about her brand and her customers, that she supplies things like this as a freebie for ease of access and ease of care for your lashes. So this is the Arttitude Cosmetics Arttitude liner. It retailed for $11.99. This is a 2-in-1 liner and lash adhesive, but it goes on like a lash liner. And oh my goodness, it does feel tacky like a lash glue. Next up, I'm going to be showing you the sets of lashes. These are brand new packaged lashes. I will show you the old packaging in an earlier package that I bought from Arttitude Cosmetics. So these lashes are extra, it says on the side of the box. And then a little drawer for you to just slide them back in. A little pull tie at the end. Accessibility friendly. These are gorgeous and fluffy and definitely on brand with the extra name. Next up are the Arttitude Cosmetics I Woke Up Like This lashes. Simple, sexy, fluttery. I love lashes like this. Next are the Arttitude lashes. They are very fierce, very thick. I love these. I can see these pairing very well with a super bold eye look. And last in the little purple box are the Iconic lashes. Very wispy, very chic lashes once again. Onto the third packet now. Some beautiful Arttitude Cosmetics Unicorn Face Crystals. The Colour Splash palette. Dive into a world of colour. 18 colour eyeshadow palette. Absolutely gorgeous, sleek packaging. Huge mirror on the front. All those shades. Next in this little packet, more lashes. So as I said before, these are the original packaging. These are the Flirty lashes. And I believe I bought these for £6.99, £7. Truthfully, not sure if she still sells this on the Arttitude Cosmetics website. This is the Natural Collection. It is a trio of lashes, Doll, Angel and Princess. I bought these for $14.99. Now onto the final packet. Another Arttitude 2-in-1 liner. As you can see, goes on really smoothly like a black eyeliner. Not coming off on my finger. It's gone tacky. It would be good enough and strong enough to put lashes on. And then this is the VIP exclusive 15 colour premium eyeshadow palette. And this palette retailed for £19.99. Huge mirror once again. And some gorgeous royal shades. There you have it. That was my showcase of independent beauty brand called Arttitude Cosmetics. I will leave the links down below in the bio for you to see to Arttitude Cosmetics website. I will also leave the links to Rux's Arttitude Cosmetics social media sites down below so you can check them out too. If you'd like to see me swatch or use any of these products that I showcased today from Arttitude Cosmetics, let me know down in the comment. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you check out Arttitude Cosmetics, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!